Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about how to donate a car in California. So let's start. In this informative and practical video titled How to Donate a Car in California, we delve into donating a vehicle in the beautiful state of California. Car donation can be excellent way to support charitable cause, dispose of your invented vehicle, and make a positive impact in your community. By following the step-by-step guide and expert tip and share in this video, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the process, empowering you may mark on your car donation journey with confidence. The video begins by explaining the virus season, why individuals choose to donate their car in California. From supporting non-profit and charitable organizations to enjoy tax benefit, there are numerous advantages to consider. We explore the impact car donation can have on important causes such as education, health, environment, protection, and community development by showing real life success stories. In this video, illustrate the difference a single car donation can make in changing life and creating positive change. Next, we dive into step-by-step process of donating a car in California. We discuss the necessary documentation such as vehicle title and registration and guide you through the important steps and ensure a smooth and hassle-free donation experience. I hope you can understand. So, from selecting a reportable charity to arranging for vehicle pickup or drop of this video covers everything you need to know to navigate the car donation process effectively. With practical tips and insight, you will learn how to maximum the impact of your donation and avoid common pitfalls. Furthermore, we should light on the legal and tax implications of car donation in the California. Our expert advise California the eligibility criteria for tax deduction, highlighting the importance of maintaining proper documents for IRS purpose. By understanding the tax benefit associated with car donation, viewers can make informed discussion the legend and their planning calls while maximum their potential financial savings. This video aims to equip viewers the knowledge necessary to make the most their car donation in California. In conduction, how to donate a car in California is a comprehensive and engaging video that is a valuable resource for anyone considering car donation in the state of understanding the motivation behind car donation to navigations, the legal and logistical aspects. This video offers a wealth of information and guidance by following the step-by-step instruction and expert advice. So, viewers will be improved to contribute and charitable causes, make a positive impact in their communities, and enjoy the benefit of car donation in California. From understanding the motivation behind the car donation, navigation, logical aspect, this video offers well helpful information. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. From selecting a reputable charity to arrange for vehicle pickup or drop of this video covers everything you need to know to navigate the car donation process effectively. While practical and insight tips and insights, you will learn how to maximize the impact of your donation and avoid common pitfalls. By showcasing real life success stories in this video, illustrate and difference as a single car donation can make in changing life, creating pride in your area. Further, for more, we should light the legal and tax implication card donation in the California. Our expert advise California in the study criteria for tax education highlights the importance of many more offering documentation of IRS by understanding the benefit association and card donation. Viewers can make informed necessary to make the most their California donations. So by showing real life success stories, causes such as the education, healthcare, environmental preservation, and community development. I hope you can understand, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.